Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So after a small intro about this, I am here to give you a very short review on this product. Now guys, I have been using this since Sahib was born, and it was that time when I bought my first purchased this first bottle. I'll just put this aside so that I just talk to you. So this is Max Care's 100% natural and cold pressed virgin coconut oil extracted from coconut milk. It can be used for cooking and dietary and skin and hair oil purpose. Now let me tell you what I have used this for and what I am definitely assured about it. First of all, I use this for Sahib. As you can say, it's for skin. They say that it's really good, so I use for his massage. When Sahib was born, earlier we started with olive oil, which turned out very bad for him, and it caused him skin boils and rashes. So I turned to this, and that was the first time I called for this. It's very gentle for your baby's skin, and you can massage it. Even you can use it for the face. If you do not trust any moisturizer, you can definitely use this one. Now guys, let me tell you one thing. I also use this for my skin. I use this for my face as a moisturizer. I have just started using it because I felt my skin was really dry, like really drying out. So I started using this on my face. Now one more thing I want to do in front of you is this oil. It's very good. It's not very sticky, like how oils are. You must be thinking it's very sticky. I just want to show you that I use on my hands, on my feet as well, and my face. So guys, really trust me, this is a very good oil which you can use for your skin and a lot of things. Now guys, even it is suggested, just so you can see how healthy it makes your hands. I don't know, but it really adds a lot of moisturizer, hands making your hands and your face beautiful. I may add a clip of this I'm using on my face, and after I use this on my face, it does not make my face oily, very oily I mean, or sticky at all. Now the second benefit guys, it can be used in as dietary. That is it is said that if you use 1 tablespoon of oil early in the morning in your smoothie, or even in the day on your salad or something as a dressing, it can help and promote weight loss. But I haven't tried that, so I have no idea on that. But yes, I had asked about this to my naturopath doctor, and he said that yes, coconut oil is very good for your body. It definitely promotes weight loss, so you can use this for that as well. Now they have said that even for cooking, yes, there are people who use coconut oil for cooking, but I haven't, so I will not suggest on that anything. Now as per on hair, guys, I use this for my hairs as well, and for Sahib's also, although nowadays I'm using Sahib a different oil, but I use this for my hair. It is really good. I put this on my hair, like I warm it a bit, and then I apply it on my hair, keep it for an hour or overnight, and then I wash my face the next day. This definitely brings softness and shine to my hair, and it also helps me to detangle my hair, and it makes them smooth, and definitely it's becoming strong as well. Now guys, let me tell you some uses that it's not written here, but for what I use them. Guys, I don't know if you know, but you can also use coconut oil if you have bruises. Like you see, I have a bruise here while in the kitchen, and then Sahib has skin issues a bit. So whenever he scratches himself, because you cannot stop a baby doing that, I use coconut oil for that purpose. Like you have a small bruise or you have a mosquito bite, I use this for that. If you have itching, I use that for him. I actually use this completely for Sahib's body, to moisturize his body and his face. I am totally dependent on this, completely dependent on this. I use this for mosquito bite, for bruises, for cuts and nicks what you have. So this is an yay for that. Now what I use this for, I use this while shaving my legs. Yes guys, coconut oil is 100% natural. This one is 100% natural, so I use this when I shave my legs or hands because it makes it very easy for us to shave. Plus definitely the best point is that it adds a lot of moisturizer while you shave your hands or legs, and that is very good when you shave and you do not wax, because moisturizing back your skin is very important. So I use this for that, guys. Now one last point of this, I also use this as my makeup remover because sometimes I'm home and this is the thing, not this, I have in a bottle which I keep very accessible for Sahib. I have like I put that in that and I pump it out, so it's always handy. And when I've come from out and I feel very lazy to remove my what do you call this, makeup remover, the makeup removing pads, I just take this oil, I massage in my hands and I massage all over my face, and I just take a cotton, wipe it off, and then I just wash my face with a face wash. And that's it, guys. That's all from my point of view I have about this oil. I really trust this brand. I always order this from Amazon because I don't know anywhere else you can find this, but it's really easy to order from Amazon, and there are a lot of good quality and good things you can do with this oil. So guys, these are the benefits which I think this coconut oil can give you. And if you really like this video, give it a thumbs up. And hi guys, so guys, I hope you like this video and it's really helpful to you. Coconut oil is something which has a lot of benefits, and I just told you what I enjoy the benefits of this Max Care coconut oil. It's 100% extra virgin cold pressed coconut oil. And yes, if you like this video, and this is the new pattern of videos which I'll be filming mostly because it's really easy while Sahib is sleeping and I don't have to do a lot of things and just set up the camera and start talking. I hope you like this pattern because I'll try as much to give you the details in briefly so that everything sets up perfectly. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in my next video very soon. Till then, you take care and you be stylish. Bye.